Hello everyone. Since I last did a video explaining how to write a review on Facebook, Facebook have gone and changed how reviews work. So I'm here again to explain how to write a review. This is the page for my local butcher, which I'm going to use as an example. As you can see, over on the left hand side you have reviews, so we click on that. As you can see, there's still a 5-star rating thing, but you can no longer rate a business from 1 to 5. You just have to say whether you would recommend it or not. So in this case, would you recommend Hyams Butchers? I'm going to click yes, and then you get a chance to review it. There are a few examples here. I'm going to go for a great selection and knowledgeable staff. Those are the things that I recognise about this business, and then I can add a comment as well. So there's my review. As with other posts, you can make it public or just for friends, or you can click for more options. So then I'm going to click post. And that's now added my review to the page. If you found this video helpful, please pop over to my page, Imago Video, which you can find at Imago Video UK on Facebook, and leave me a review.